It was probably about 15 years ago. I think as part of a routine physical, I took a blood test and found a really astronomically high level in my triglyceride count. I, in fact, at that time started regularly monitoring taking blood tests and seeing a physician every so often, my triglyceride count as well as my overall cholesterol profile.
I think what's new and exciting is that we have a lot of great therapies for preventing heart disease. The challenge really has become, how do we make patients adherent to these programs? Cholesterol lowering, weight loss, blood pressure reduction, treatment of diabetes. We have good therapies available. What I've learned through experience is that although I love developing new therapies, what I also love is translating those new therapies and improving patient outcomes. And that's why I'm very excited about HealthPlace, which is a medical home option where we can track patients very aggressively in their home, their weight, their blood pressure, their lipid profile. And I think this is going to improve adherence and ultimately patient outcomes when it comes to preventing heart disease.
I had been having symptoms of dizziness and lightheadedness, which were sort of inexplicable to me until I sort of realized that perhaps this had something to do with the blood pressure reading, and obviously Dr. Davidson and his nurse agreed, which is why they summoned me to the office.
I met Bill several years ago. He's a very intelligent, busy, but overweight guy with risk factors for heart disease. So the typical hard-charging, high-pressure job that requires a lot of time and effort, and like many people like that, it's very difficult to come in on a regular scheduled office visit. And so he was the kind of person that would I would not see him as often as I should to really make a difference in his lifestyle changes. So HealthPlace was really designed with him in mind.
A home monitoring program, HealthPlace, that he was taking part in for certain kinds of patients to see how they would respond to this sort of different kind of approach to monitoring.
We started a 20-patient pilot study with HealthPlace, and it's going very well. The patients like it tremendously. We've already identified at least 3 or 4 patients that had abnormal spikes in their blood pressure, which led to interventions to reduce the blood pressure. We evaluated weight on an ongoing basis and were able to identify plateaus or inability to lose weight. We were able to then check and see what we can do to get them back on the right track. Same for the lipid profile. Now we can see how we're making progress in adjusting medication without having them come back in, so we can make these interventions a lot more rapidly.
I weigh myself, I take my blood pressure, and I think and what's great about this is it really keeps me on task in terms of reminding myself that I have, particularly in terms of weight loss goals that I'm trying to shoot for, to watch my cardiac health. So this sort of regular, the watchful eye of the doctor in my living room, I think really has an effect on me.
So in Bill's case, he was on blood pressure medicine, and we noted that for a few days in a row, his blood pressure spiked up quite a bit. So we brought him to the office now to reevaluate. It turns out it was really quite high, and we were able to adjust his medication, and now his blood pressure is completely under control. So if that wasn't picked up by HealthPlace, we never would have known that for many months to come, and he would have been ongoing at a high blood pressure, which is something that we want to avoid when somebody does have these risk factors.
It's a pretty easy thing. I got a sort of doc in a box. I got this nicely packaged box in the mail one day, or delivered by UPS, whatever it was, and it included a scale, the blood pressure cuff, as well as a at-home blood test kit. And I set this and the transponder that sends this information to Dr. Davidson's office, which all it had to do was be hooked up to into a telephone jack, and presto, I get on the scale, or I take my blood pressure, and the data are transmitted.
The important element of HealthPlace is that the interface in the home, the electronic scale and the blood pressure and the lipids, are all integrated into a website where my nurse can evaluate it on a daily basis and how patients are doing. Data comes in, we can summarize it, we can evaluate it, and this is even more effective than an office visit. We're only getting one single snapshot of what's happening on that particular day. So HealthPlace provides the platform by which we can look at 3 months of data on an ongoing longitudinal basis, which can ultimately mean a difference between removing these risk factors, improving these risk factors, and not being effective, which is often the case in the traditional office-based model of taking care of patients.
The information is transmitted to Dr. Davidson's office, and I think he looks at it, but I know for sure his nurse, Karen, looks at it, because she'll call me, she'll say, hey, great, looks like you're losing some weight, or she'll say, hey, you know, your weight shot up a little bit, or blood pressure's looking good today. So I get regular feedback from Dr. Davidson and his staff.
I'll still see him maybe once a year in the office to kind of just put my eyes on him and kind of give it a human touch. But the interactions are quite frequent. We're seeing his data on a daily basis, his weight, his blood pressure, his lipid profile. And we can make these adjustments over the phone or by internet interactions. And ultimately, I strongly believe that's going to make a big difference in how he ultimately gets his risk factors under control.
Clearly, had I not had the home monitoring system, I don't think this spike in my blood pressure would have been detected.
What's important about HealthPlace is that we can track patients on a regular basis and have their data, which we often don't have in a traditional office chart system. So we can track trends, we can track the data. If it gets worse quickly, we can identify it and make changes more rapidly. So ultimately, this is a tool to help the physician improve patient care that ultimately will make a big difference when it comes to reducing the risk of heart disease or other diseases that require chronic treatment.
This sort of home monitoring program could easily become a sort of a regular fixture in our healthcare system.
HealthPlace is the way of taking that 150 East Huron state-of-the-art office into the home now, and we can now integrate our office-based care with the home in a very special way that can make a big difference for patient treatment.